Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Here I am Madhur Rastogi and today we will discuss about the unit 7 conditional statement. So guys, as we all know that there are two types of flow of control in Java, normal flow of control and conditional flow of control. As we all know that the difference between them is in normal flow of control, it will execute the program without skipping any statement, but in conditional flow of control, it depends on the condition whether to print a statement or to skip that. So let it be. In this video, we will only discuss about this part. So without wasting time, firstly we have to see the syntax of this if statement. So guys, syntax of this is such like, firstly we have to type if and remember that I should be small of if, and then condition should be in bracket, simple bracket, and then curly braces. If you want, then you may use, otherwise leave it, no problem. Then you may print the statement and it will execute if they will be true, and if the condition is false, then it will not print anything. It will leave that and move to other statement. Now guys, if and only if statement. In this, what we have to do, if condition is there, number one means it will check all the condition and print only the true condition. We can give infinite condition in this. There is no limitation. Therefore, I use here n, as no particular finite reason is here. Then if else statement. Guys, what we have to do in this? It is very simple. If condition means we will check, we will give a condition to this, then computer will check whether the condition is true or false. If condition is true, then it will print statement 1, else it will print statement 2. Then guys, if else if statement, it is also such like if else, but here else if is also added here. Means total we can give more than one condition in this program. In the upper we can only give one condition, but in this we can give infinite. Means we can use this else if again and again. So its syntax is if, then condition number 1, then we will print statement 1, then else if condition 2, then statement 2, then once again we can use here else if, then condition number 3, and so on, and at last we use here else, means false, and there will be a condition. Means here I take 3 statement. So it is also very simple concept. Guys, the main concept of this chapter is this: nested if. What we have to do in this, we have to put if condition inside a if else condition. Means here if condition is there, firstly computer will check the condition is true or false, then it will move to this if true. If false, it directly move here, but if it is true, then it will come here. Then it will check whether this condition is true or false. If yes, then it will print this and simply move to the next block. Means it will leave this part. It will not print this. And if false, then it will print statement 2 and move to the next block. But if this condition is false, means this is not a true condition, so it will computer will move to else. Then it will check whether the condition 3 is true or false. If yes, then it will print statement 3, else it will print only statement 4. Means if these conditions will not match, these 3, then it will simply print this statement 4. So at last, in this video we will discuss system access. Guys, this is used to execute or run the program in between. So we will start now. So firstly we have to make a class. So we have made this, and here we go. Import java dot util dot access semicolon, then public class. I only type here if. Oops, it will take it as token. There is a void. Guys, I think you all know that why I'm using here underscore, as if we didn't use this, then it will think that the class is 2, means the class name is in 2 numbers. So therefore we have to use here underscore to make this one word. Public static void main. Remember that S should be capital of the string. Scanner in equals to new scanner. Now I'm putting here 2 variables, or yeah, I'm putting 2 only. So output statement for them. I'm only writing A and B. It is unstable for us. That's what we have to print. Now A equals to in dot max, as it is integer then int, if it's double then double, etc. and so on. B equals to in dot max int. Then guys, we give here condition. If A is greater than B, smaller than B, then you may use here curly braces or leave this, it's not matter. Then it will print here true. Now we have to close all the braces. So we have closed all. No syntax error. Now print this. Okay. So guys, 15 is the value of A and 10 is the value of B. So it is not printing anything, means the condition is false. As I told before, that if the condition is false, then it will not print anything. Once again we are doing this. Now the value of A will be 10 and the value of B will be 15. Oops, I didn't use enter here. So guys, we can see this, our program is working. Now I only added here a value for only if statement. So here also no problem, sequence we can adjust afterwards. C equals to in dot max int. Now after this loop we have to use means conditional. If C is greater than B. Means, guys, A is smaller than B and C is greater than B. Means C should be at largest. Then once again, here we now type false. Then once again we have to close all, that's it. So no problem. So guys, you can see here kernel window. A will be 15. B, guys, we put in B equals to index before the C, so now it's the value of B and it will 5. C equals to 5. Then what happened? It is not printing anything. Guys, both I think all the statements are false. A is less than B, means A is the greatest, so it will not print this, and C is also smaller than, so it will not print anything. Now once again we will compile it and put opposite value. What happened? So here A will be 5, B will be 10 and C will be 15. So true and false as we want here. You can see this. A is smaller than B, it is true, and C is greater than B, so true and false as we want. So we can print any odd even also. Then guys, what we have here, if else statement. So it's also very simple. Now we are removing here C for a while. So come here also. Now we have to remove this also. Guys, what we have to do here, if A is smaller than B, then it will print true, else it will print false. Nothing is complicated in this. A will be 5 and B will be 10, so it will print true. And once again we are reciprocal the values, so 10 will be the value of A and 5 will be the value of B, so it is printing here false.